welcome to my channel and to another Sunday Reset. I hope you're doing well and that you've had a great week, and I really want to thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me. So on this day, this was actually Mother's Day, and I really wasn't feeling like doing too much, so this will be a fairly short video, a fairly quick one. And as you can see, I'm just showing you some of the groceries that we picked up from Costco. And you know, people still have to eat, so that's one thing that we have to do. And I love my popcorn, as you can see, and I love these pretzels. Has anybody else ever tried those? I just love those things. So give me a thumbs up if you've tried them and you like them too. So all I'm gonna do is just start to unpack the groceries and put them away. So the one thing I did decide to do on this day was to tackle defrosting my freezer down in the basement. There were things in there that had been in there for years and I had totally forgotten about. So as you can see, there's some frost buildup on the sides and down below. So it really did need a cleaning and a defrosting. So that's what I decided to do here. But do you guys have a separate freezer, and do things get lost on you in there too? Please tell me that I'm not alone. So comment below if you have a freezer and you lose things as well. So here is one of those items that have been in there. I cannot even tell you how many years it's been. A box of edamame, and I got that from Costco years ago. As you can see, it's never been opened. So that had to be thrown out because, let's face it, they weren't any good anymore. So what I'm going to do is anything that I still need to keep and keep frozen, I'm going to try and rearrange in my freezer upstairs and get that organized so things fit in while the other freezer is defrosting, and then I can start to move things back. So one thing we were trying to do is try to prepare some meals or just have food ready for the week. And we bought this beautiful salmon from Costco, so we thought we would try and freeze it. But let me know, have any of you ever frozen salmon, and how did it work out for you? So let me know in the comments below if you've ever done that. So now I'm just going to continue with some food prep, and you can see all my little packages of chicken and salmon, and I'm going to try and squeeze that in until the freezer downstairs is ready to go. Then I decided to go outside and help my husband just placed some of our solar lights in the garden. He wanted to know where I wanted them. It was such a beautiful day anyways, and here they are. We only have 5. I want to pick up some more, but he just wanted to know where I wanted them this year. So that's all we're going to do right now, is just place these in the garden. Once the lights were in, I came back inside to do a little bit more food prep, and I'm going to make my General Tao chickpeas. I have made these before, and I will leave a link to that video in case you are interested in checking it out. But they are so delicious, so easy, and a great way to add something different into your salads. I even put them into my scrambled eggs, so I'll be sure to leave a link to that video in case you're interested in checking that out. And then I'm just going to continue on with some food prep and cutting up some broccoli, and then getting some of the salmon ready for dinner that night. I use this other sauce called sweet Thai chili, and it is so good on salmon. So that's all I'm doing here, is just prepping it, so when we're ready to cook, it's all set to go. Just pop it in the oven.
It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. Bad mood.
So now, while everything is still cooking and getting ready, I'm just going to do a little bit more food prep and cut up some of the broccoli that we got at Costco so that I can put it in a container and it's ready to go for the week. We just grab it and go as we need.
Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you?
Once all this was done, I decided to head out and start working on my front door. And here's a quick look at how the door looked before, and now you can get a glimpse of what I've been doing. And if you watched my last video, my vlog video, you will have seen a little bit more of the color that I picked, and I am changing the front handle. So I would love if you would go check out that video, and you can get a little bit more information on what I'm planning on doing. But I have to say, I'm so excited to show you the end result. It is gorgeous. We love it, and I'm so happy that I tackled this project. So in this case, I've already given the front door a coat of primer and 1 coat of paint, and I'm just sanding it down again and wiping it down so that I can start